guys, welcome to my show. Today I have my new kit for kids which I buy from Flipkart and Amazon. You can buy it from Flipkart also and Amazon. So I will tell you how it looks inside and I will tell you the things we get. We get 100 things from this. So I will tell you how much we get. First we open this our box and now we have opened. We have got the booklet first and we have seen many projects from this and some instructions also like this battery operated fan, electromagnet. We can make many much from this. So let's start. And for another we have a paper page in which we have some tutorials we can get from the computers. And now let's come into our box. First I will tell you in the packing, then I will open the thing and show you how they look like. First we have a fan, big fan. You can make windmill very much from this. Another fan we can make from this also windmill. And then I will tell you the things. First we have a buzzer. And we have some double-sided tapes to stick. Very nice. I like this. And we have like this switch. And I have one 4-bladed fan and one 2-bladed fan, different colors. Some transmitters and LED lights of different types. Some wires for many projects. And copper and zinc plates. I don't know how that, I'll tell you. And then some nut bolts. And then my favorite, then DC motors. And then some extra item. A screwdriver. And some cells. 4 AA batteries, one 9-volt battery and 9-volt battery connector and a AA battery holder. And this is the box when it is empty. How this looks the box when it is empty. So let's put it in the side. Now I will tell you by opening the things. So guys, I have separated all the things nicely. First I will tell you from this row and then from this and I will come to the end. So I will tell you from the starting. We have 4 copper plates. We can make many projects like potato battery, lemon battery, much more. And now we have our zinc plates. From this also we can make potato battery and more things. So I will tell you then my DC motors. We have got 2 normal DC motors and a double-sided motor and the vibrator motor. We can make a drawing robot from this also. And now I will tell you what we get. And now guys, we have got some transmitters for light projects. And we have got some different types of lights like the green light, big light, yellow light, red light, and this kind of light we have also. Let's put them into the side and put these into the side also. Now I will tell you my second row. First we have a black wire, a multicolor orange and red wire, a red wire and a copper wire. We can use this also in many projects. And then this type of switch. It is of 3 wires, I think. 1, 2 and 3. Third, this is a double switch. And we have got a buzzer. You can make a water indicator from this. And we have got a 4-bladed fan of different color. And a 2-bladed fan of different color. And a battery holder. A 9-volt battery connector. A 9-volt battery. And some 4 AA batteries. And now I will come to my third last row. First we have 2 side switches, some big switches like these, on-off switches like this, and we have one small on-off switch. And now push this triangle switch. We done the motor works and we do it like this, the motor does not work. And I have a transmitter small, we can make many projects from this also. When we have some alligator clips, 2 red and 2 blue alligator clips, and we have this black there, and I have this also. A push switch, we can do like this, the thing works, we do like this, the thing stops. And the pulley, we can make many projects from this pulley, guys. And some rubber bands we have got 4 normal and 1 big, and another small pulley, some nuts, bolts, and the screwdriver, and the big this type fan and this type fan. So guys, these are all the things we have got from our Kit for Curious. So guys, if you like my video, please subscribe and like my channel, and see, I will tell you more projects we can make from this, guys. So bye, have a nice day.